Another uncertainty in climate forecasting comes from the oceans, and no prediction of climate change is complete unless the oceans are included. Scientists have noted that the carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere is only about half the amount generated by the combustion of fossil fuels. From this, they surmise that the CO2 is going somewhere else, and the oceans are a likely candidate. The oceans contain billions of small marine organisms like this one that use carbon in their metabolic processes and are able to act as carbon sinks. The ocean waters themselves are also able to absorb some carbon dioxide in the form of calcium carbonate.
Well, the ocean is the only place that is taking up the CO2 we put into the atmosphere, so if it weren't for the ocean, it would all be in the atmosphere. We think that about 40% has gone in the ocean and roughly 60% has remained behind.
Estimates of the potential for the ocean to absorb excess CO2 go as high as 85%. Does this mean that the ocean's activity could offset the greenhouse effect?
If we were to stop producing any more fossil fuel CO2, it would gradually go into the ocean until maybe 85% were in the ocean and 15% would remain behind in the atmosphere. But as we produce more and more CO2, the ability of the ocean to take up CO2 decreases. The sea loses its capacity to take any more up.
So the oceans could provide a partial counterbalance to planetary warming. While it is unlikely that the oceans are currently at the height of their ability to absorb carbon dioxide, the ultimate capacity remains unknown.